Welcome to Ben's Experience. In this video, I will show you how to simply block booking in Hostinger Website Builder appointment system. This is a website that I've built using Hostinger Website Builder. And if I click on this booking button, I will jump to this section where I offer a 1-hour personal training session with me. Let's click on this book now button. Today is 18th of December and let's see how to simply block booking in this calendar. First, log in to your Hostinger account. Then go to websites. On this account, I have multiple websites and this exact one is this one. Instead of going to edit website, let's go directly to the store management area. Now click on appointments from this left sidebar. This is my appointments calendar, and to simply block booking in this appointments system, you have two ways. The first one is by blocking specific dates, which is called block time. This window pops up. As you can see, you can block out specific dates. Let's say I will not be available the first 7 days of the new year. Let's select January 2025 and let's pick, or yes, exactly pick the first 7 days of January. As you can see, January 1 to 7 is added below your unavailable dates. Click on save. Now let's refresh this website. Now if I click on book now, let's check January. The first 7 days of January are not available for booking. Let's say that you are not sure when you will be available in the next year, but you want to keep your booking system showing on your website. If you think that you can do that by unchecking all the week off, this is not available because please select at least one time period to offer appointments. If you want to save this, the saving option will not be available. You need to check at least one day. To fix that, before I continue this tutorial, I would like to let you know that you can get access to my online course about Hostinger Website Builder today for free. Inside this course, you will learn many things, including how to get started with Hostinger Website Builder, how to set up and design your website inside Hostinger Website Builder, also how to create and manage your content, how to optimize your SEO, e-commerce and payments features or settings, and also how to integrate and use custom codes inside Hostinger Website Builder, and also long tutorials like how to build a handyman website, a personal training website, or just a portfolio website. If you want to get access to all of these courses today for free, and also my other free online courses inside my university, just go to university.bensexperience.com, link in the description. Without any further ado, let's continue our tutorials. That simply pick Sunday, for example. Click on save, then go to block time, and starting from the next or the new year, just keep selecting the Sundays this way. March, and this is the 4th month. Now click on save, and this way you've marked off the first 4 months of the next year. Let's see that live. Now this is 2024. Let's see the new year. As you can see, the booking is not available all the month. This is the 2nd month. Let's check March, same thing, and this is April. And these are my 2 ways to simply block booking in Hostinger Website Builder appointment system. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like and also subscribe. Thank you.